Hey there! Welcome to this demo on how to set up Insighto.ai's voice agent and campaigns. In this demo, we'll learn how to add a voice assistant, create forms, add a widget, run a campaign, and using Zapier to exchange data in and out of Insighto. Let's get started. So once you sign up, you'll be redirected to the dashboard page and you'll notice a couple of menu options on the left bar. First, navigate to the AI agents. Now let's add an assistant. Select assistant type as voice, add name, description, and prompt. We can also select a prompt from the template or create our own custom prompt. Carefully review your prompt, as these instructions will define how your voice agent will execute your campaigns and perform the overall actions. Once you're done, select the speaker's language. Please note that you'll see two options here, normal and premium voice. Premium voice offers better tonality and synthesis but comes with a higher credit consumption. We also support other languages. Feel free to drop your request at support@Insighto.ai or ping us on our Discord channel. Alright, so once you're done, hit submit. Great, let's create a simple form to capture campaign details. Click on the Add Form button and enter the name, description, and label for all the metrics that you need to capture in your campaign. Awesome! Let's link our form with the assistant now. So now it's time to add a widget. Let's begin by adding the widget name, select assistant, and description for your reference. Please note that you'll notice the voice type of widget only when you've selected voice assistant. For the text type of assistant, you'll see options to configure the chatbot or WhatsApp widget. Alright, so let's select your Twilio account, configured from the profile section, and link the calling number from the drop-down. Hit submit. Perfect. Our three-step voice setup process is complete. Let's go to our contacts for running campaigns. Before we start running campaigns, let's see how we can import data from Google Sheets via Zapier. Let's head over to the Insighto Zapier integration page. You can utilize the predefined triggers and actions from here. For Contacts Data Importer, we need a two-step zap. First, to connect Google Sheet and then Insighto. For the first step, connect your Google account, select the sheet you want to import data from, and set up triggers. Once done, test your data set. Next, connect your Insighto account, select the Create Contact type event, and connect each sheet column with the respective data parameters, which are first name, last name, email, phone, and WhatsApp. Here's our sheet with data columns for reference. Now let's test our triggers and publish the zap. Once you reload the contacts page, we should have the new contacts added, and here it is. Perfect. Time for our final step, initiating the campaign. Simply select the widget and start the campaign.
Hello, this is Julia from Steve Dental Clinic. I'm calling as a reminder from our last survey reach out. How can I help you today?
Hi, Julia. I was wondering if you offer teeth cleaning services.
Yes, we offer teeth cleaning services. Would you like to book an appointment for that?
Yeah, I'm available early next week.
We have
Also, do you offer any services for braces?
Yes, we offer braces treatment, both metal and ceramic braces. Would you like to book an appointment for that as well?
Yes. I would like to schedule for next Tuesday or Wednesday.
We have slots available on Wednesday. Would you prefer morning or afternoon?
Do you have any slots available on Tuesday evening?
I'm sorry, we don't have slots available on Tuesday evening. Would Wednesday morning work for you?
Yeah, I can do 11 a.m. on Wednesday.
Great. May I have your name, please?
It's Mike.
Thank you, Mike. Could you please provide me with your phone number?
9810112345.
Thank you, Mike. And may I have your address, please?
123 54th Street.
Thank you. Do you have any dental insurance provider?
This is AIG Insurance Company.
Great. Could you please provide me with your insurance ID?
2015621.
Thank you, Mike. We look forward to seeing you at the clinic. Feel free to call us anytime if you have any questions.
Sure, thank you.
Wonderful. Our appointment schedules are captured accurately by the voice agent, and I can access them anytime under the engagement section. We can also export the data from Insighto captured forms to Google Sheets via Zapier with just a 2-step zap. Perfect. Now this brings us to the end of our demo.